up, sweet gang? It's your girl Rochelle back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a different look for your candy apple. In this video, I'm going to be using an Airbrush Mist Coloring by Americolor. It's actually a red metallic color that appears to look metallic orange. I love this color, and we're going to create this beautiful apple here before you in this video. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Ask about me, because it's your girl Ro coming to give you life. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to let you know your girl Ro is on and I'm coming to steal the show. So we ready? Let's get into the video. Let's go over the supplies. I have my 1 tablespoon measuring cup. I have my heat resistant spoon, my apple sticks, and my paper straws, which is black. I have my Americolor Air Mist red coloring, food coloring, my already clean candy apples, 1 cup of corn syrup, light corn syrup, 1 cup of water, and 4 cups of sugar. I have a medium-sized pot along with my silicone mat. In a medium pot, we're going to add our ingredients. 4 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of light corn syrup. This is a full candy mixture. You want to make sure that you get all of your corn syrup out of your measuring cup. For this mixture, I am going to be adding my food coloring at the end. You want to make sure you combine your ingredients before you add it to your stove. Putting your stove on medium-high heat. If you have digital, you can put it on 5 or 6, or in between 5 and 6. But you want to make sure your ingredients is all together combined. Taking our candy thermometer, clipping it on the side of your pot, making sure that the tip of your thermometer does not touch the bottom of the pot. If it touched the bottom of your pot while it's cooking, it will give off a false reading. So you want to make sure that your thermometer is clipped on the side, just enough where it's reaching just at the top of your candy mixture. Adding your apple sticks and paper straws to your candy apple. You want to make sure that you're using the proper stick when you want to apply your paper straw. This particular stick is a 5.5 in length and a 5.0 in width. This straw will go over this particular candy stick when using for your candy apples. You want to make sure that your apple is completely clean and dry, and placing your apple stick in the upright position and just firmly press down. Now, if you don't want to use your thumb, you can use a small mallet to put in your apple sticks. For your straw, you just want to take it and apply it right over and just firmly press down to where it pierces into the apple, and making sure that it doesn't fall off when you prepare to dip. Making sure that your stick does not come through the bottom of your apple so that you won't have any type of bubbles. Making sure you won't have any type of bubbles accumulating from the bottom of your apple. After you have inserted your stick and straw, you want to make sure that you check around the base of your straw to make sure that it's no juice that's sitting around there before you get ready to dip. You want to make sure that is completely dry before dipping. Now our mixture has reached 250 degrees. I am going to add my flavor. Now that our candy mixture has reached 300 degrees, you want to take your candy thermometer and place it in a cup of cold water so that you can remove the extra candy mixture that is on the end of your thermometer. When you have removed your candy mixture, you're going to see that the color tone has changed to like a light brown, a brownish color. And when you see that, that is okay. If it begins to get darkened and black, then you may want to check your candy thermometer, because at that point your candy mixture may have burnt. Taking your color and your 1 tablespoon, shaking your color very well. You want to fill this until it's to the top to equal the 1 tablespoon. Okay, adding in our color. We want to equally combine our mixture. It will bubble up. Don't worry about the smoke and the bubbling. Just make sure you add only the 1 tablespoon. Let your bubbles settle. Let the little smoke settle. Don't be alarmed. But you want to make sure that your mixture is equally combined. You do not need to add white food coloring to this mixture. You want to mix so that your mixture will come completely smooth before dipping your apples. Tilting your pot so that your mixture can come to the corner of your pot. Making sure that your apple is completely dry before dipping. Going into your mixture, doing a rotating turn to fully coat your apple. Bringing it up. Letting the extra mixture drip off into your pot. Scraping the side of your pot and placing your apple onto your silicone mat. There you have your red metallic Airbrush SHEEN candy apples. If you have enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Let's get it to 1,000 likes. Leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know how you enjoyed this wonderful video, bringing something different to you in some different color. An amazing technique by your girl Ro. And for all my new subbies, if you have enjoyed this video as well, go ahead, leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to let you know that I am coming to give you life. And your girl Ro is about to go, but I'll definitely see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.